oh yeah, in the tent we
Yeah.
we like just like slept on crash pads, and he's like, wait, one tent? And I'm like, yeah, and he's like, nice. And I'm like, yeah, crash pads, more like smash pads. And Angela Lynn looked so uncomfortable when I said that. It was a great time. Anyway, can you climb?
No.
Wow. Nope, yeah.
No, you can climb whenever you want to.
You need to come around underneath and to remove the twist.
Yeah, I know.
Yeah,
Here,
yeah,
right?
just come beneath me, right?
Yeah.
Or like, yeah, come around this rope.
Yeah. Okay.
Alright, Clara. You got it. Yeah, you do.
Yes, you do.
Just breathe.
Breathe and climb up.
Breathe and go up.
Sometimes,
That's all you have to do.
sometimes the lift. And the often it's very cool.
Sorry.
Good.
Oh my gosh.
Yeah, it's slippery.
Nice.
Thanks.
Yeah, you're good.
Yeah,
No shit.
gotcha.
Quick mode pull. You okay?
Yeah. Are you okay?
Yeah. Yeah, fine.
Nice.
Wait, this is basically still ascend because of how far you fell.
Go back on the
This
floor.
is still ascend, so
I can't believe I fell there.
Yeah, holy shit.
Like it was smearing, but I guess
Yeah.
it was too dusty.
come on, Clara.
No,
Yes. Yep, just like that.
no, I can't. No, I can't see it anymore.
Just pretend that you're
Yeah.
pinching something that you really want to pinch. Was it you that was randomly pinching my triceps a bunch? That was Christy.
I'll stay on this side.
Yeah.
A little bit more.
Yeah, yeah. No, that's wise. Yeah,
Yep.
just straddle it up and you pull.
Can I take a break?
Ma'am, you're 2 moves in.
You guys go down. Alright, I got you.
Alright, we're good.
Yeah, I did all of that again.
Alright.
Alright, well, please don't fall.
I know, so I think it's like 20 feet up to the next
Yeah, you'll run out.
I don't know where it is.
Shit, do you not know where it is?
I can't see it.
Well, do you want me to like check down approach it real quick?
No, it's fine. I'll find
I
it,
would
but-
say avoid the moss and you'll be good.
Yeah.
But this side is really good. Yeah, it's not bad.
What if I throw you a can or something right now? Like that?
I know there's. It's all like dust and
Alright, yeah.
there's nothing.
Also, placing a cam and having the stress of, oh shit, am I placing it right, might not be worth it compared to just breathing as you climb up, you know?
Yeah. I see the next bolt though. It's do you see the next bolt?
Should I just lower
You
you?
see it?
Yeah, I see it. So like do you see how like you follow that ledge up and then you have to like go kind of like left, like straight
Yeah.
up? There's that bolt like just in the sunlight right now, in between all the shadows of the tree.
Oh, I'll see it when I get up there, I guess.
Okay. You do need to climb like a little bit of birch to get to it.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Okay.
Alright.
You got it. Come on, Claire. I got it. That's French for let's go.
I don't know. It is French. Yeah.
It is French. I
Well, that's
took
why
French in
it's
high
French.
school.
Those two dudes are French.
Most what?
Those two dudes climbing.
Oh, they were French. You talked to it?
Yeah. Yeah,
They were really nice.
yeah, it's like right above you now. If you like just face towards the wall, like, and then look up. Yeah,
I
like
know.
it's like 10 feet above you on the
Oh,
bolt.
I see it.
Yeah, it's that. I think that's the next bolt.
Gotcha.
You got it, Emma. Come on.
Yeah.
Yeah. It's just like a little bit of crack climbing.
Yeah, you're not following a crack, honestly.
That means that it's secure. You can wedge your leg in.
My feet. Wedge my feet in.
Feel like it's 5'9".
5'9" R. Yeah, it's probably a trad mix, honest. Alright. Nice. Great job, Emma. Come on. Oh my god, that's the ball? What the fuck? Are you sure?
Like that, right?
Sit back. I have one of them. Good. I'm lowering. But I'm lowering it slow. Alright, Claire, there you go. Remember, 9.8 meters per second.
Nice, that was scary.
Alright, good job, Emma. What the fuck?
That was so run out. Holy shit.
I think we maybe should have sent you up with a couple of Cameroonies, you know.
You took a free solo, dear. Nice.
But you guys should try it. It's not bad.
But you
try,
guys
no.
should try it.
I'm not fucking leading that, actually.
I would lead it with some cams.
Yeah, that's okay.
A couple camely doodahs, dude.
Yeah.
I almost just said the term cum diddlyumptious out loud and realized that was not, I was going to say cam diddlyumptious, but can you get the rest of the rope on the tarp and kind of make it like more square for me?
Is the yank of that next thing? Is it fucking
Yes, of
2
course.
$5?
Whatever you need to do. Thank you. What did you say?
$2 almost.
What the fuck?
I know this must be like shredded.
Unironically,
Yeah.
sending that on site like that basically, I mean the first slip doesn't count.
Yeah. No, this
First
is
off,
like,
slipping, like, doing that first slip
Good job,
and
Emma.
then doing the run out like that, fucking ballsy.
I'd be so fucking psyched out.
Yeah, right.
Bro, bigger balls than I do. For sure. Holy shit. Nice. Alright, anchor next. Let's go.
Almost there.
Yeah. Yeah, no. I was doing this first ball, I was like, I was fucking scared. It was like, that's easy. It's like, oh. I see it, bro.
I'm gonna go urinate really quick in the bush.
Have fun.
I have not peed since the coffee shop.
Would you like to join?
No.
Fucking
I
laser.
wanted you to have fun.
Laser. Jesus Christ, does anyone want to combine streams? I know, right?
I feel like that would be hard because I would like need to be squatting down pretty low.
Oh, are you done? Okay, sounds good. I'll take.
Yeah, take more.
Wow, that was fast. Good shit.
Good?
Yeah, yeah, I'm right. You can. Yeah.
Okay.
Alright, lowering.
Yeah.
Oh, yeah, there's a big ass tree on you. Another branch behind.
Oh my gosh.
Yep.
Okay.
Yeah. Okay, flag. Alright, another branch coming up on the left. Flag. You wanna cross the road? Come down the right side?
What?
You wanna turn around the right side of this road?
Oh.
That'd be easier. Alright.
No. Clara might want to top rope it and clean it. I think I'm good on climbing for today. Okay. So whoever wants to,
I can just clean this.
You want to send you up with some cams?
Yeah, sure.
I
Yeah,
don't know.
I'll just practice hands on this. Actually, yeah, I'll leave Canada. Yeah, that sounds good. I don't need to do the 5-6 then.
you can
We both.
Do I mean, I guess it's just short on time.
I can wait.
That's it. Holy shit, that was insane. So smooth.
Yeah. I know to find mine. There's another
Okay,
row.
so real quick. First off, what the actual fuck? So you slip right there, you pull back on, and then you do a 40 fucking foot run out
Yeah,
on
that was
exactly the shit that you slipped on,
pretty
and you're like, shit's basic to me. How the fuck? I'd be so fucking scared.
I did my rotate so strong.
Like, yeah, it's slightly different. I get that, but still,
Yeah, I'm just so psyched out. You almost had a ground pool. Holy fuck.
dude, you're fucking insane. And not to mention, the hardest thing you have ever led outdoors is only 2 grades above this. Think about that. And you basically like on site, which means that we need to get you to start projecting some 11s outside.
Yeah, I probably should.
Yes.
Like this.
If you go to Mickey's, we can get you on some like 11As.
Sure.
Mickey's, the rock quality is good if it's still there, which is concerning, but it's okay. Well, sometimes you grab a crimp and it goes, "Pah," you know. But at Mickey's, everyone has climbed it to do the on all the crimps that go, "Pah," you know.
Yeah.
So it's okay. All right. So what's the mood here?
So you want to try that 511. So you're... What? Claire does not want to climb anymore?
I'm good.
I also will just be happy going camping
You
in
two
this.
still have stuff down there. I thought.
Yeah, I will go down there.
Do I?
Eventually. All my shit's down there.
Do you want to go grab all of your shit and I can have